One of Motorola's popular older smartphones, the Moto G4 Play has started receiving Android 7.1.1 Nougat update. The Moto G4 Play was launched back in 2016 with Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. The company has skipped Android 7.0 Nougat update altogether, and directly rolled out the Android 7.1.1 Nougat update for the device. The update will roll out gradually to Moto G4 Play users globally. If you haven't received a notification for the update yet, you can manually check for it using the following steps. Head over to Settings to About Phone to Software Update. This would be the last Android OS upgrade for the Moto G4 Play. Motorola recently listed out the smartphones that would receive Android 8.0 Oreo update, and the Moto G4 Play didn't make it. The update comes with a host of improvements and features including new power saving and background management features. The update also brings added support for dual SIM dual standby for 4G and 3G networks. The new update will also allow users to integrate GIFs directly on your keyboard with compatible apps like Google Allo, Google Messenger, and Hangouts. The update also allows users to launch actions within an app by long pressing the app. The OTA update is also said to bring the November security patch to the device. One of Motorola's popular older smartphones, the Moto G4 Play has started receiving Android 7.1.1 Nougat.